mache inyuranga chirange chiga nigo chiri kurwase chire chiri guririke iriya gatigati wekari guri iriya bantabatinu moigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo bwochoganya chirangi wekabunuraganye bwochoganire erangi yiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores nabo kwegena muna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora bwekirano tutarire rero eliwe nyorere abamanyi naboigo Ekeonga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara njibwa tokorolekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eyuerange neduka ya Safaricom Mwigo, ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers, eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank. Asamange, bakere simgwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500. Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Getembe Television, Ekeonga, Kiamamogusi.
Maragoba umya weritkore Ikomi na rimo ritkore jumanine Chinsa Ikomi chabana maragoba mwanche muregerere nago sogeiri andonse asora na kwariganiri SMS Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi asenchira yo bwengi nchengatire Nyaboga Wilson makori kuraso mono bwe manyererio ikaranseke ngomonyama yakro asu Chinsemo imina isko yorogongoro agusi. Umurai wense ya Kenya omuske Daktari William Samoei Ruto na omokonyoye omuske Professor Pram Kithure Kindiki nigo bari ase taro ya magendro ase omocho manene o Nairobi. Ritkore rero babirabu nigo bari ase nsemo ya Mathare ase bachake na boyokoro tota emerobiro ya magendro anene muno obwaga chibwe chinyomba cha magori anse. Ukwana mu basorero murai wense nigairera egati emerobiro eri babegete eri gokonya abasaye na boyigo oerera obuya bogo chamo na no murai bweke makirya odi omoske Raila Amolo Odinga chinga kichecho omoske Kindiki gosoma konyi bo murai bwensenere nigo aboli abantu bonse osaba Kenya bonse gotigo bokabera engana yaigwa okoboko no mugavana we county ya Nairobi omoske Johnson Sakaja.
Nataka niwaeleze tumekubaliana kama Kenya hatutaki tena siasa ya ukabila na chuki na migawanyiko. Tunataka tuungane kama watu wa taifa moja. Tukabiliane na changamoto za Kenya, tuzalishe chakula ya kutosha, tuondoe njaa, tuzalishe nafasi ya ajira ya kutosha, tuhakikishe vijana wetu wako na ajira, na tuzalishe uchumi, tuondoe umaskini, Kenya iweze kusonga mbele. Mimi nawauliza watu wa Mathare, jameni, mnakubali tuungane ama tutengane? Ama kabila, ama dini, ama sehemu, ama jinsia zingine, tukasema tuunganishe Kenya ndio Kenya iweze kwenda mbele. Na katika hiyo muungano hakuna jamii itatengwa, hakuna dini itatengwa, hakuna wananchi wa kutoka sehemu zote watatengwa. Tunatembea pamoja as one people with a common destiny, with a common future as the people of Kenya. Madhara tumekubaliana jameni? Munasema tuendelee ama
na togotigana nayo nigo muraiwe kia makirikia ODM muske Raila Amolo Odinga aigereire ogochamo na boigo kobeka ese iyo koigwana kogokore mirimo no muraiwe nsi ya Kenya muske Daktari William Samoei Ruto ase bono achire mutwe na goteba teriere uchite kurigo muraiwe nsi korende no muske Ruto uchite kumorigia bunenchira ya moyo kobeko koigwana asabeteka kumusira ase boigo kuria obunyakero bweke ombukirikia AUC.
Lakini sisi tumesema maneno ambayo ziko swala nyeti zimebaki pale pale mpaka litatuliwe. Lakini haviwezi kutatuliwa kama watu hawajakuja pamoja kuongea, kuangalia vile mambo yatakuwa. Ndio sababu hao jamaa wakikuwa wameshikwa na baridi na wamekuja upande yetu, mimi nikasema tufanye mambo marekebisho haya yote. Mnaona yale tumeandika maneno 10 yote ni yale tumekuwa tunadai, na wakasema watatimiza. Sasa tumesema tunapatia hao fursa ya kufanya hayo ili yarekebishwe. Uchaguzi itakuja mwaka 2027, hapo wananchi wataamua wenyewe. Lakini kutoka hapa mpaka pale hatutaki wananchi wetu wazidi kuumia. Mambo matibabu iko na shida, hii mambo ya SHA haifanyi kazi mpaka irekebishwe. Si ndio irekebishwe? Sivyo? Hii mambo ya uchuru ambayo wananchi wanatozwa ni juu sana. Hata hii juma nyumba hizi mpaka irekebishwe, sio? Hawezi kurekebisha kama unakaa kando. Mpaka uingie tale uambie fanya hii na hii na hii, na weka watu yako hapa na hapa wafanye. Ikifika pale
na egatia barai korora gongoro Gusii bakorawa no muwaziri w'ekisemi umuske Migos Bogamba nigo bono babori abantu bonse goskaba Gusii na abagusi negatie bisakwa biri bikorwa ase rogongoro wa Nyanza ase bono abori abakuria na abagusi bonse gochamo unenchera yamo yokwebirobira bose bobochore bonene nabo igokorenta amagendro ase Chinsa mecho okwana ase gikaro nigo mo seneta bwe county ya Kisii umuske mumoima bwonyonka nera tebiro ko okwogerero ko muske Raila ase County ya Kisii anene muno ase geti gosorikia Gusii tari ore magega ya manganayo.
We appreciate that we come from Nyanza region, but we want to be appreciated that Nyanza, Kisii and Kuria is part of Nyanza. Gusii, Nyamira and Kisii and Kuria is part of Nyanza, because there is a misconception that when you say Nyanza, people just think about Luo Nyanza. Even as we talk about Luo Nyanza, there is Gusii and Kuria Nyanza. So we come from Nyanza, but please recognize us as Gusii people and Kuria people, and we deserve our share in every place that we get ourselves in.
We need to come together, pretend, get what we need to get, then go back to our fights as usual.
Amongst sectoral leaders from the Gusii and Kuria region have held an inaugural meeting to consult on ways of aligning the region's development with the overall national government agenda.
You saw the events that happened yesterday in Gusii Stadium. It's very unfortunate that it had to go that direction. But again, on the flip side, we must ask ourselves, on the flip side, what exactly are people protesting over? Why are people agitated in our villages? Why? It is because from the brotherhood that we've supported over the years.
Mwancho morigerea nige serikali ya bekire mirobire yogo chiago kinia chi huduma centers chonsi imeyensi ya Kenya bunenchira ya moyo korora bera bakenya bogima anena mono bali bakogenda aso mucho Nairobi koria obokonya asabano ya bekire mirobire yogo chia kwagacha chi huduma center ange chimi ibere ase chi county chonsi imeyensi ya Kenya.
Service delivery for Kenyans. Today, we celebrate a partnership that truly embodies our shared commitment to efficiency, accountability, and citizen-centric in public service. The deployment of Kenya Institute of Supplies Management services in 10 Huduma centers not only reaffirms our commitment to bring services closer to our citizens, but also increases convenience for our supply chain practitioners who up today had to travel to Nairobi to access Kisii services.
I want to begin by saying that today marks a pivotal moment in Kisim's journey as we officially operationalize our Lower Eastern Regional Chapter through the launch of our services within Huduma Centers in the advancement of our regional reach across the country. This launch is not merely an expansion of our service delivery points, but it is a culmination of dedicated efforts and a deep understanding of the needs peers of our over 25,000 members and the wider supply chain profession. This launch is anchored.
Na tugutigana nayo ni gobono kiama kia UDA kia osekiararire chikura anene muno kurwase chikia mekyo ase county emerongevere na evere asumutinyi ogocha chikura chirachego chaka chitariki 11 na boigo chitariki 12 asumutinyi okane ekirenge kenene no korenta na boikone ke matunda ase county sano echichirachego chakirwa kone kia chikurecho.
We already have 113,800 candidates who have so far registered to contest. The registration for candidates is now open and will remain available until the Friday 21st March 2025 at midnight.
Sisi tunawaambia wakereketu ama wafuasi wa chama, hii ndio fursa yao katika kuimarisha umaarufu wa chama na kuimarisha demokrasia na katika kujiandaa katika yale malumbano ya hapo mbeleni ya kisiasa, tuweze kuhakikisha tumejumlisha kila mtu na kila mtu amekuwa kiungo muhimu katika utekelezaji wa majukumu yetu ya kidemokrasia.
The party is pleased to announce to the country the resumption of elections in another 22 counties. You are aware that last year we successfully conducted up to county level elections in 5 counties.
Na nigomo waziri o investment trade and industry mensi ya Kenya omoskeli kinyanji atabira serikali nigobona yabekire mirobire yogo chikwagacha na bayogo chake bigwanda ase county ose county chansi mensi ya Kenya bunenchiremo yogo kine uchumi na boygo ko rigeria abantu amabaga yemirimo ekerenge kenose omoske kinyanji nigaya kwana yega ase county wasingisu asa chake umororubo kwagacha ebigwanda ase county yo engane yo nigo yego koboko na
Just to note that we believe that Uasin Gishu, the location of this particular county, makes it a potential industrial hub, not just for Kenya, but the entire East Africa. And therefore the government is looking into all these possibilities, and we will be having that conversation later. So that the airport that is here, the railway that is here, the road connectivity to the East African region that is here, the facilitative environment created by government, all business facilitative agencies like KEBS, KRA are all headquartered here. We therefore believe that with all these incentives, it is time for Uasin Gishu to be able to now fit into that area of being an industrial hub. And we also are looking at funding possibilities for those who will be setting up their industries in our CAIPs and also at the EPZA. And I believe all this will only make sense when you have the uptakers.
We want to provide opportunities, especially business opportunities for investors in our city. Na EPZA itakuwa ni jengo moja ya kusaidia sisi pia kutafuta wageni waizani ili watusaidie tutafute nafasi ya kazi kwa vijana wetu. Eldoret tulikuwa na industries kubwa na tunauliza hizo industries zilienda wapi, na tunatafuta njia ya kurejesha ili tukue na vibrancy kwa uchumi katika hii city ya Eldoret.
Leo tuko hapa kutembelea miradi yetu miwili, mradi ya EPZ ambayo inajengwa hapa nyuma ya Rivertex kwa ward ya Langas, na pia tuko na project ya County Aggregation and Industrial Park ambaye iko Moiben. Hizi projects
na togo chigokora ni gabono mutinini we budget iminsi ya Kenya umusku musbat Margaret Nyakango atebire bunani ge abisiaye ere ebwato boremero bw'ekibesa chisaine chokoine kya obokoreri bwaye gochase abana inchi gokwana bose bwe bunge gosebwe sposio we kamiti y'ekibesa ase bunge ya Senate musbat Margaret nigatebire neba kagwetere ebigocha bire binge nigarache kwena kya bunango ikeraniare nabo yokorega siaye goikerano.
My office will continue to undertake monitoring and reporting on the implementation of government programs and projects at the county government level. Due to inadequate funding, my office has not been able to monitor the implementation of projects at the national government level. From the foregoing, the budgetary provisions, and here I refer to the control of budget limits in the 2025 budget policy statement, will be vital in ensuring effective implementation and reporting on the implementation of government policies. It should be noted that in subsequent years, additional budgetary allocation to the office will be important in ensuring that the office plays a more expanded role in the realization of
Mwanchi umurigereria na arayi twakwareganirite kurose mese Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi tukerigeria Jumanne asenchira yo wenge korende Chinsa ibere na Chinsa nyicho botko bwarero no chuko yanyora yo amona yanda mange asenchira yo boikirano nchengatire Nyaboga Wilson Makori kurose umuntu bimanyerero Kevinongeri neragenda tokone kebuna chibichechiga na marengo kirachira asenchira ere yo boikirano genda gutwara uburigiri borobya asemirubori ya Getembe TV ekobwatia.
Getembe Television Ekeonga Kiamamogusi.
Eduka ya womo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ili kubwatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyuere company nambe yemo eyue korose chirangi meyense yiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isia ebintu bilia bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi echo boyiko chire chechi brand au echo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo au punabondo mbabwata chirangi cho wakwa imeye nyumba isiko ya nyumba chire chikomentera nibwa amavuta yani oil na bwigo chiriya chia mache inyoranga chirangi chiga nigo chire korwase chire cheri guririke iriya gatigati wekari guri iriya bantabatinu bwigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo wochoganya chirangi wikabunuraganye wochoganire erangi yiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na wokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora bwikirano tutarire rero eriwe nyorere abamanyi aboigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eyuerange neduka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera ase chinamba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Getembe Television Ekeonga Kiamamogusi.
Ufanisi International Hospitality College ne college mono